In this video, I'm just going to be running some of my HO scale trains. Something happened with the engine. Guess that will be it for that engine. I'm just gonna set the camera down. These are the next two locomotives I'm gonna run. A Bachmann DCC Reading Railroad GP30 and a Athearn Blue Box Olympics SD40-2. These cars aren't properly weighted, so they're constantly derailing. We're back on the track now. Continue running the engine. And there's another derailment. Always the same cars. I think that'll just be it for that engine. All these cars are derailed. And the final engine, the Olympics SD40. It's just one of my personal favorites. I got this engine at a train show for only $25. Just didn't run though. When I filmed this video, I filmed a video right before it. The SD40 stuck on something. It's these engines that I've shown you. Are only just a fraction of my locomotive collection, and that would be the end. We've reached the end of this video.